Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this little ATC 70. It is a 1984 model. Let me see if I can find the witchamajigger. 84 ATC 70. You can see she's rusty. I done got the seat off. It was locked up. Started taking some of the stuff off here. You can see all this crap here in the floor. That come out of the cylinder where the spark plug goes. Spark plug's right yonder. She's not froze up now. You can pull it. Once I got the head separated here a little bit, you can see I put a bolt back in here. I know it's kind of a random first video, but we got it half took apart. You see I got the cam back in there. Not the cam, but the cam gear, timing chain and whatnot. So we're going to be starting to take this off here in just a second to see what kind of garbage is inside of this head. So let me get back over here, take this one screw out or bolt here because I can't get the exhaust off of the cylinder head. So we're going to have to try to do something here. So let's see what falls out of this. Ooh, little oil. And the piston is not connected. No, wait a minute. Sorry, that's just the cylinder head where the valves are at. Look at that piston. Gracious almighty. Look at the valves in here. Can you see it with the light? Sorry about the light, but look at the crap inside of this. Let me move this light out of the way. Watch it fall right here. Look at the crud. When I bought the little three-wheeler, it was froze up like hardcore. Would not even move. Look at the piston. Look at the junk in there. He said it was probably blowed up. Well, it is what it is. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to get the cylinder on off. Because like I said, I can't get the pipe off right here. I got both bolts out. She's seen better days. So we're going to try to get that off somehow or another. I might have to end up taking the pegs off just to get the drop down. Once we get that off, I'll bring you back and we'll see if we can slide that cylinder off. See what it looks like that in there. Alright guys, welcome back. We finally got the exhaust off. Here's the valves. They've seen better days. Now we got the cylinder separated, and I stopped right there to kind of get a little video of it. Let's walk around to the other side here. This is the chain tensioner here. You slide her easily. I can on off. That fell down there just a swinging. That's the chain tensioner that goes in, and your bolt goes through here and holds it on if you ain't never took one apart. 72 cms. Let's slide her on off here. Easy. There it falls down. There's the cylinder. Yummy. We'll clean that up here in just a second. Take a gander at it. What's this? Little O-rings. It's good to know. Little O-ring there. I think one went here too. I don't know if I showed it, but there's O-ring. And there's the baby piston. Look at it. Shoo-wee. But she's good and free think we cleaned her up. Be good to go. Let me take a second and clean this cylinder up, then I'll get back with you. Alrighty, we got some of the gunk off of the cylinder. Look how rusted it is. Pretty bad. It'll probably never seal again. Might be able to hone it up, get it looking good. The bottom part here doesn't look too bad, but that ain't where it needs to be. But we might try to hone it. I got a hone for a 110. I don't know if it'll fit in there. I don't know if I've videoed right or not, but that looks pretty bad right there. Probably never work. So I don't know if I can find me a cylinder for this thing or not, but that's what it is, guys. We'll check it out, see what we could do. Then try to put this little beauty back together. Clean it up. I know the tires are shot. Let me show you here real quick. I got some tires that came with it. 3 new tires for it. I know I'm walking around here just flinging stuff. I got junk sitting everywhere today. But that's the little ATC 70. I don't know nothing about it. The guy I got it from said it'd been in storage forever because it was locked up and he never got a chance to get to it. He had some of the bigger 3-wheelers and I just had to have it because I still got my little Z50 here. And we got to do the same exact thing for it. It's not actually locked up, but it's smoking pretty bad. So we're going to tear it down just like we did this one. This is kind of like a little how-to deal for me because I've never took one of these apart. And I've done the 110, and it's similar, but these have the little screw right there on the black part of the cylinder. Whoops, dropping something. That is the chain adjuster, or tensioner rather, and I've never dealt with that. I don't think the 110 had that, but I bought the 70 over here to kind of get a little knowledge on how to take this apart because I don't want to really mess this one up. This one I ain't really too worried about, but I believe the crank and everything is good. It seems tight. I'll check it some more here off camera, but that's it, guys. We're going to clean it up, clean the valves up right there in the head, check all that out, see if it might actually be messed up worse than it looks. There's a little cam in it there. But nah, it might be all right. Clean it up and see if they seat decent. Look at the crazy casting right there the Honda done, but we'll clean all that up and see what we got. A lot of rust and a lot of pit right there. I know my camera's not focusing. I'm on my phone. Sorry about that. See the little cam down in there. She's just a cute little fella. Oh, she's squirting oil on me. Cam looks to be a weird looking color. I don't know. It might be good. Valves, rockers, cam, all that goodness. Anywho, guys, there's the CT70 1984 model. Probably the first time it's ever been took apart. This cap on my 50 over there is frigged up. You can see this one's not going to focus, but it's stripped a little bit. But there it is, guys. The CT70. We'll clean all this up, see what's usable, see what we can find. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully there'll be a lot more videos on this little feller, getting some plastics and whatnot if we decide to keep it. I think it'll be a fun little outfit. I don't know how good the chain's probably shot. The brakes over here is probably shot. The axle looks rough. It's a lot of work. I got to get a throttle and a kill switch for it. The coil's broke, so I got one of those. He gave me with it. It's a mess, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like. Hit that thumbs up button. Help me grow, guys, where we can keep doing these crazy projects. And we'll see you guys on the next one.